to my channel. I hope everyone's having an absolutely wonderful day, and if you have not already, please do subscribe and make sure to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. The link will be down below. But let's go ahead and dive into this video. As you can see from the description, we got our MunchPak mini today. And what I really like, this is a monthly subscription. It is a snack subscription, and they send you a variety of snacks from different countries around the world. So it's really, really fun. And I know that I have done a video before, but we also do universal yums. I like universal yums. They stick with one country every month, so that's really cool to try a variety from the same country. But MunchPak is all different countries, so that's really cool as well. And I will make sure to link down below for you guys their website, and it's like $12.95 I think for the MunchPak mini, and if I'm not mistaken there is a coupon right now where you can get like $5 off your first month. I will make sure if that is still valid to link that for you as well. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what came in this month's MunchPak. Well, okay. Sorry. Alright, so we are just going to open it. And, oh, there's a little MunchPak sticker. And then this is what it looks like when we've opened it. So we will dive in there in a minute and see about all the different snacks. It says, "This MunchPak was made with love, just for you by Nick." So let's dive in here and see. All right, first item. So glad it has, the one thing about MunchPak that's really cool is they put little stickers on all of their items that tell you the country it is from and what exactly it is. And in this case, that is a great thing because I can't read that. So this says tofu biscuits, milk flavor, crunchy milk flavored cookies in the shape of different animals. This is from Taiwan. I'm assuming that this is probably going to be something similar to animal crackers maybe. I don't know, we'll see. And then here, this looks like this has Chester Cheeto or whatever his name is on it. This is from Israel. It says Cheetos cheese corn snack, crunchy, buttery, and cheesy corn snack. So that's pretty self-explanatory. And this, you guys, this is from Jordan. It says well-made strawberry jam and vanilla cream Swiss roll, sweet vanilla sponge cake with rich strawberry and vanilla cream. Like I said, this is from Jordan. That'll be yummy, I'm sure. And this, again, I'm glad for the sticker. This is from South Korea. It says it's L-O-T-T-E, so Lotte cereal choco. Crunchy cereal puffs with sweet chocolate cream inside. And again, that is from South Korea. So that'll be fun to try. So we have one final snack in here. This is from Poland. Mazesko Zozoli Cola Candy. Sweet cola candy with a tart and fizzy center. So as you can see right in there, they're little, it's a bag full of the little candies. So that's interesting. That'll probably be fun. Oh, yay. So we got 5 items this month. So we got the cola candy, the chocolate cereal puffs, Cheetos, the strawberry and vanilla Swiss roll cakes. And then from Taiwan, the milk biscuits. Like I said, I think they'll probably end up being similar to animal crackers. So that, yay, that'll be fun to try. Some of those, like the Cheetos, obviously I know are probably just regular Cheetos. But the other stuff, you know, definitely sounds interesting, so we will give it a try. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I will make sure to link the website for MunchPak down below, as well as that coupon code, if it is still valid, to get you $5 off your first month. And until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Have a great day.